Hi everyone, today we are going to create this. So let's start it. So start from by using pig head node to generate a base geometry. Connect the output of the pig head to remesh node. This will allow you to increase the topology of the mesh. Then use edge fracture node to break the geometry into pieces. Then connect the explode view after the edge fracture node. This will allow you to see each fracture pieces clearly by pushing them out from their centers. In each fracture, we can increase the count of number of pieces. If you don't want any specific object like a eyes, use split node before the pig head input and select the option for the head only. Use a group node to create a group called temp. This group will include the selecting points that define where your peel-off simulation will start. Add an attribute create to assign a temperature attribute and give the temp group. Set attribute name will be temperature. Set the attribute value to 1. Now use pyrosource spread and set the cooling rate 0. Turn on the temperature visualizer. After setting up the previous node, use vellum clothes node followed by the vellum solver. When you hit the play button, you will see the pieces are separating from each other. Attach the vellum weld node between the vellum clothes and the vellum solver. Now go inside the vellum solver and add the pop wrangler. And then come outside the object mode. Connect the output of the null node to the pyro source. Spread and rename it to temperature. Now return to vellum solver and inside the wrangler node. Select the input option and set the input 1 to SOP. Provide the location of the temperature null that we created few minutes ago. Now in wax expression. Now create a vector called temperature equal to points to input our data. Geo handle will be 0. Attribute will be temperature. We are using if statement. The temperature is less than 0.5. Integer at the rate weld become -1. The expression check the temperature of each points. If it's higher than 0.5, the point become weld -1. That will affect the interaction in the simulation. Come outside and remove this force. Return back to solver. Now add a pop force or pop wind. Just set the amplitude 0.3 for dynamic simulation. For collision purpose, return to split node. After the split node, connect the peak node. Adjust the distance slightly. Apply the polyextrude node and connect it to the peak geometry. And set a negative distance of 0.01. Enable output back. Ensure that output back is enabled. Now connect the polyextrude output to the third input of the vellum clothes nodes. Okay, we have to set the reset group start points. Finally, reset the group start points. In the group node, change the selected points. This is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I hope you see you again.